Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the best game booster settings on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to advanced features, and from here you will find the option of game booster settings. Just tap on it, and from here you will find all the settings of game booster. Now for the first feature, you can change the game optimization settings. For example, if you tap on game optimization, you can select between these options. Now, if you select battery saver, it will prioritize the battery life over performance. And if you select performance, it will prioritize the performance of the game instead of the battery life. And if you select balanced, it will balance the performance with the battery life. Now, if you go to customization for individual games, you can optimize each game separately. For example, if I select this game, from here, you can select game optimization and you can select the game optimization settings for this game. For example, I will select performance. And if you select FPS, you can lock the FPS on this specific game. And if you select screen resolution, you can increase or decrease the screen resolution for this specific game. Now just select save to save the settings. Now under in-game panel, you will find the option of quick action button. And from here, you can select an action for your quick action button. For example, it is now on screenshot, but you can change it to touch protection, navigation button lock, or screen recording. Now I will select screen recording. Now once I open the game on my smartphone, the quick action button will be mapped to start screen recording. Just like that. And you can change it from here. Now, instead of screen recording, I have select screenshot. Now the quick action button is now mapped to take a screenshot. Just like that. Now after quick action button, you have the option of where to access in-game panel. Now it is now on navigation bar, but you can select shortcut bar. Now if you select shortcut bar, the in-game panel will move from the navigation bar to a small bar at the side of the screen. Just like that. Now if you select navigation bar, the in-game panel will move to the navigation bar. Just like that. Now under screenshots, you will find the option of screenshot resolution, and from here you can change the screenshot resolution as you like. Now it is currently on 100%, but you can select 25 or 50%. And also you have the option to change the format of your screenshots. Now it is currently on JPEG, but you can select HEIF. And these are the best game booster settings on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.